Good morning, children. Today we will talk about the age of imperialism. The age of imperialism started in Europe, but it was not restricted to Europe, but it came to India. The word imperialism actually comes from the word empire, and the building empire by expanding territories and gaining colonies is known as imperialism. Now, how this imperialism at all came? It came because of industrialization. Industries required more raw material and market. And to get this raw material and market, Europe was not enough, for which they need to come to the places where they can get market and raw material. That is, of course, the Asia and Africa. These countries where imperialism have not started. So these places became the reason for expansion of territories. European countries like England, France, Portuguese, Holland, they all came to these countries and began to dominate the people of this country for their selfish motive of industries. They were not happy with one, but they wanted more and more. One thing became very common here, that is capitalism. Now, what is capitalism? Capitalism is the way of earning more profit to gain raw material from industries and to make the finished products. So, what are the things they used to take? Cotton, sugar, rubber, wheat, metal, palm oil, meat, diamonds, whatever expensive things they required from the various places of the world, and they used to take it back to their country where they used to make the finished products in their industries, and then again they loaded the goods into their large ships and they brought it to the colonies. Here they got ready markets where number of population was high. Now you can see a very nice cartoon where England is grabbing Cuba and Philippines as their colony, and the country which is strong is known as mother country. Okay, after this you will see that there are different countries who were grabbing a pizza. It is a pizza, not pizza exactly, it's actually a different colonies of Africa. Africa was known as a dark continent because for many years it remained unexplored. Now you can see a map where colonies became very common. From different parts of Europe, people came and grabbed the places like India, Australia, Africa, North Africa, Southern Africa, Canada. All these places became the food of imperialists. Now you can see a picture where the mother country with its long hands like octopus grabbing one colony after another, and they are quenching their thirst by this. So the imperialism, I hope you were able to understand how imperialism began and what were the result of this imperialism. Okay, thank you class.